Welcome to Nidhi's Yoga channel. Today's asanas are about weight loss and body toning. So let's begin the asanas. We begin with some squatting, up and down, up and down. Squatting not only helps in building your leg muscles but also is a great exercise for the entire body. Now prepare yourself for some stretching. Interlock your fingers and stretch up and sideways. Also stretch down and up and continue stretching. Regular stretching asanas and exercises increase your flexibility and blood flow to your muscles. It prevents any backache. It also calms your mind and it is great for stress relief. We continue with these stretching exercises. Now come to a downward dog position and start lifting your leg up and inside, up and inside, and stretch your leg as much as you can. Yoga is all about letting go, so do not exert yourself. Take a break. Come to a child's pose, relax for some time, and then continue with the other set of the exercise. Doing regular 10 sets of each asanas helps you in weight loss. Again, come to the child's pose, Shashank Asana, to relax for a few moments. And then continue with the other exercises. Prepare yourself for the other leg stretches by doing few push-ups in the downward dog position. Now prepare yourself for the stretching. Again. Lift your leg up in the air and then place it in between your palms. Repeat the same for the other leg. And continue stretching. Now prepare yourself for the next asana, Anjaneya Asana. To do the Anjaneya Asana, lift your leg and place your foot in front and do the Namaskar. Now continue stretching. Go back and stretch yourself up and down. Come back again to the same position and then wrap up with your stretching exercises. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel and stay connected. Stay safe and stay healthy.